Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Recap. This is episode 3, where I go over everything that's happened within the week and we look ahead to the new upcoming week. So it's not gonna be as long. I'm just gonna wanna relatively keep it short, sweet, because this is really, just gonna look into my channel and just really look into what has been what video has really gained traction, and so I guess my wow. So I'm looking right here. My Monday, June 1st, the evening commute actually gotten some lot of traction because look at this. Most of most of the viewers that I've got were from the recommendations, particularly the up next, because so really so what it's doing is really working. Is that you're telling people like, hey, check out this video that he just posted. I think you might gonna like it. And I know that some of you may not watch the whole thing. Maybe there's some parts of it that might seem interesting to you, and you go to that specific parts of it, or any of my videos for that matter, because I realize that not everyone will stay and watch the full video unless I made some type of video that is actually worth staying through all the way. But but I know but I do know realistically that isn't not always the case. So but I'm still thankful for anyone who has stumbled to whether to this video or any of my videos. So grateful. And yeah, I reached in my subscriber count is 52 subscribers as of right now. So I've grown only two two subscribers within 1 week. So like I said like I said last week, and I'll continue to say it throughout. You know, it's still a journey. It is still like a marathon to get me to 100 subscribers, but I'm still very determined that I will get there. So all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel. That's literally all you have to do. If you enjoy watching my content, or if you enjoy watching any of my videos that seem interest to you, or somehow relates to your current situation, for as knowing of what different parts of Wilmington, of in which part of the traffic situations, because I know most of y'all can relate. There's Because like I said, there's a video out there that that's specifically tailored to you. So if you're looking for any tips of how to avoid the main roads around Wilmington, there are videos for that. If you're if you're into the morning vibe, you wanna to start your day right, there's a playlist for that. If you're all about the evening vibes, if you're feeling about the drive home, I have a playlist for it, evening playlist. So whatever your mood is, whatever that fits your vibe, whether it's morning, afternoon, midday, evening, whichever, there's always a video. There's always a video for each and every one of you that's tailored to your specific vibe. And another thing I want to briefly talk about is that recently, I I was actually driving that location on 17th and Wellington, the another Wawa location that's gonna be coming soon. So I'll probably do like a feature video where I will do like a drive to that another location. So pretty soon, Fort City's gonna have two Wawa locations, along with a second Target location in the Monkey Junction area. So anyone who lives in the Monkey Junction, Carolina Beach Road, they have they have that they have that location to go to instead of like going across town for nearest Target. You know, because sometimes when you live in the southern part of town, then you want to get to Target. Sometimes, most times, it can be anywhere from like 25 to maybe 30 to 35-minute commute. You know, so yeah, could be 25 to 35-minute drive. Yeah. So with the new Target at Monkey Junction, it's gonna be literally 10 to maybe 15. I mean, at worst part 15, maybe should be no more than 20 minutes. So depending on which part of Wilmington you are. So really glad that they're putting some more stores for some people that that can't make that extra drive, or because with gas is still at a all-time high right now, and some people like can't afford to make that extra trip because gases are still at a very expensive time. So yeah, let's see. So let's see what else. Let's see what else. Plus, I want to know in the comments, what do you think of my thumbnails? On my videos. Do you think they're cool? Are they fascinating? Are they you know, catching your interest? You know, because I spent a lot of time of making these thumbnails that is like hoping to gate hoping to gather your interest because I use this as studio. Big thanks to as big thanks to as studio here for help helping us out, helping all the content creators out because 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 in a world in a reality of you know 2026, want to make sure all the thumbnails we create have to be current. It stays with the current standards of 2026, middle of 2026. You know. So anyway, I know it's not much, but it's like I said, I don't really have too much to talk about, but just want to talk about some things. What's the popular, what is the trending video on my channel right now, and also let me end this video with this. Let me look ahead to the new upcoming week. You know, I mean, we're in the real hard of the summer season now. Temperature's gonna be very, very hot. So, because the thing is, when temperatures get this hot, which means if you don't take some necessary measures to protect your phone when you do record in your car, it can overheat too. It can it can heat up quick, and that can and me, I've experienced that a few times. It can like shut off unexpectedly. So something to know. Something to know that for sure. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And as always, weekly recaps are, gonna be out each and every Sunday night. So, other than that, I'll see you guys out on the road. I'll see you guys out there on the road because already know how I like to do it. All right. So anyway, I will be back next week. And so until then, y'all take care. Bye bye.